Good day, my friends. Welcome to my channel. There's Spotless the cockatoo. And got Brad. And I know the whole rumors of bread is not good for them, but this bread right here is actually pretty handy. Like, I looked at the labels, double checked it, it's actually not bad at all to feed this type of bread. It's wholemeal, so it's not bad at all. And I only give them 3 times per day, so it's not like all the time, you know. But anyway, you want some bread? Ready? Oh, look at you go. Would you like some too? What name should I call you? Oh, you're a vegan? Oh, crusty. Maybe crusty 2.0, maybe. Right, ready? Oh, look. Whoa, ready? Come on. Oh, ho, ho, ho. You bossy bitches. Alright, I'll give you a bit. Alright, ready? There we go. There's a cheeky one down there. And baby. Good job. Good job. How are you doing, man? Hey, that's right. How are you doing, bud? Whoa. He's doing good there, aren't you? You sure are, mate. How awesome. You like some more? Ready? Oh, there we go. Oh, bye. Where's... Are you spotless? Yeah, you're spotless, aren't you? Yep. Yeah. Ready? Ah. Alright. Oh, there we go. There's another one. Whoa, birds are everywhere. Alright. Nice work, spotless. Nice work. Alright. What up a D? Alright. This one would like this if you too. Whoa. It's a different one. Wonder what name should I call you? Whoa. I think his thing is in a distance somewhere. Whoa. Hey, they like to chill on the playfine. What are you doing, monkey? Maybe I should call you monkey. The double crest. Double crest. Maybe I should call you monkey. Because you like to hang from the branches, like a monkey, so yeah. Monkey and spotless. Whoa, you got these grooves on. Hello, buddy. Hey, it's crunchy. Ready? There we go. We'll finish that in no time. Told you. There you go. There you go. Right, ready? Ready? There we go. Yum, yum, yum. Whoa, look at the crust. Who's that? Whoa! Look at you arrived. Fine in there. And that, this monkey right here knows where to feed. We have a whole family of rainbow locates that like to come as well. So basically we have a family of rainbow locates, a family of cockatoos, a family of magpies, a family of kookaburras, a family of butcherbirds. Pretty much, almost, you could say, every native bird in Australia that comes by you. Even noisy miners. Daily basis though. Yeah, they've been coming here now for like, since when we first moved in, for 5 or 6 years ago now. But what was that? Monkey? Monkey. Hey, monkey. Look at you. Look at your grass. Whoa. Double grass, double monkey. How are you two going? I also put honey on the harmless bread as well, which is good. But you know, like pretty much almost all the bread is toxic for them, but this type of bread is not. I get it from Coles. I forgot what the brand name is. Whoa! Yeah, I forgot what the brand name is, but there's seeds in it too. Like really many seeds. Monkey. Whoa. Hello. And that one is a male. Because you know why? Their eyes are black. See? Black. It's a male. And the females are the females have a lightish brownish eyes, reddish lightish brownish eyes, which is pretty cool. Whoa, pretty freaky. Monkey. Whoa. I just saw a kookaburra. Whoa, noisy miner. Yeah, I just saw a kookaburra flew from that tree down that way, around the corner. Hey, monkey. How are you? The noisy miners are back. Whoa. Hello, buddy. Yeah, so this is some of our local backyard buddies that like to visit on a daily basis. So it's amazing. So these cockatoos are called the yellow super crested cockatoo. Whoa! See? Oh, hi. You're not spotless because you're really shy, aren't you? Whoa, see? I'm not even close. Whoa, hi little buddy. Oh, hi. Yes, hi. Yes, it's food for you too. Yes. You know the drill, don't you? Just looking around. What should I name you? I've got a thing of names. To name these lovely, fluffy friends. I already came up with a few. There's spotless, there's monkey, and the other one is oh, actually I can't remember. I can't remember, sorry. It's alright, that's why I need more names. But I think of it. This one, maybe. Oh, I don't know. Maybe spooky. But it's not spooky in general, but spooky as in it's scared. It's like, it's not used of humans and other things, so hopefully its own species it's used of. But, yeah. It's alright. Isn't that right? See ya. Alright. Catch us later, guys. Stay passionate and see you next time.